Hey there, folks of Monmouth County. It's time to talk about something very important: coastal flooding. Yes, you heard it right. Our beautiful county is on alert for potential coastal flooding, and it's crucial we all stay prepared. First things first, let's understand why this is happening. The National Weather Service has issued a warning due to an incoming storm system expected to bring heavy rain and strong winds. This combination can lead to significant water levels rising along our coastlines, especially in low-lying and flood-prone areas. Now, what does this mean for you? If you live near the shore or in a low-lying area, you need to be extra vigilant. The flooding can cause road closures, damage properties, and even pose risks to life. So it's not something to take lightly. Here are some quick tips to stay safe. First, make sure you've got an emergency kit ready. This should include essentials like water, non-perishable food, medications, flashlight, and batteries. Also, don't forget important documents and some cash. Next, stay updated with local news and weather reports. Keep an eye on your phone for emergency alerts and warnings. If authorities advise evacuations, don't hesitate. Your safety is paramount. It's also a good idea to secure your property. Move outdoor furniture and other valuables to higher ground. Use sandbags to block water from entering your home if necessary. And importantly, avoid driving through flooded roads. Just 6 inches of moving water can knock you off your feet, and 1 foot of water can sweep your car away. For those with pets, don't forget to make arrangements for them as well. Have pet food, leashes, and any medications they might need ready to go. Finally, after the storm, be cautious when returning home. Floodwaters can be contaminated and dangerous. Avoid any downed power lines and report them to the utility company immediately. Remember, folks, preparedness is key. By taking these steps, we can ensure our community stays safe during this coastal flood warning. Let's all look out for one another and get through this together. Thanks for tuning in, and stay safe, Monmouth County. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Des.